Let me see. Let me see. Move. First ball.
I know.
It's cold, baby. That's why you gotta wear gloves.
Yeah. Come on.
Here, hold Jacob. I'll run out there with him.
Look.
What's wrong, Gavin?
They not that cold. You're okay.
Baby, put him down and run around in it.
Huh?
Put him down and run around. Let him see it's fun. Here, hold Jacob. Come here. Look! 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 Woo! Here, watch mommy. Here, baby. Hold this. Well, I was just doing it.
Well, come over here, Branson. He's blowing in his face.
So put the comforter over it. This is so freaking difficult.
Ashley, shut up, Ashley. Don't start with me.
Come here, shut up. Look. Turn it off. It's ruined now.
No, because you did it.
No, because you came outside. Here. Come here. Look, that little boy's playing. See? Stop crying. Stop. See? He's playing. Look. Look, he's playing outside. Look at those other kids. They're playing outside. Everybody's playing outside. Nobody's crying.